So I got some lovely love mail for First Impressions Friday this week. Hi, it's Ethany. I got sent these Sacred Spirit reading cards by Rockpool Publishing. How nice is that? I went to the post office. I got a lovely thank you card. I went to the post office to pick up parcels, as I do. I'm at the post office a lot, either posting out my own decks and picking things up. And they had something for me. I'm like, I'm not expecting anything. And it was this. And I love the Power Oracle that Anna Stark has come out with. She came out, I think it was last year. The artwork was so stunning and so vibrant. And this looks like it is going to be a beautiful companion deck to that. So thank you so much, first of all, to Rockpool Publishing. Way to make a girl's day. I love like best present ever. Now what we're going to do is what we always do. We're going to swap over cameras and I'm going to go through the entire deck of the Sacred Spirit reading cards and let's explore this beautiful deck, which look at that stag. Hello. Together. Okay, lovely ones, we're going to go through the Sacred Spirit reading cards by Anna Stark, illustrated by Lewis Dyer, and published by Rockpool Publishing. This was a gift that was sent to me by Rockpool. I didn't even know it was coming, and it was like, oh, yay! I love mail, especially when they're decks or like magical goodies. So this was sent to me, so thank you so much to Rockpool, and they do a beautiful job of, oh, that tree. Very Avatar feeling, right? Like that gorgeous. I have the Sacred Power. Oh, sorry, not the Sacred Power. The Power, the other one. Oh my gosh, I can't remember. Oh, they have an app. Ooh, very cool. Download your free Rockpool Oracle reading cards. Oh, and they've changed the inside. Sacred Power reading cards. So this is the Sacred Spirit. I have the Sacred Power ones and I love them. I also have the Heal Yourself ones as well. So they've changed the inlay. Silver. That's really gorgeous. Now, I adore this artwork. It's so pretty. So I'm going to pop. My Virgo Rising is like, that's not where you put it. Okay, so we'll put the book over there. Such a dork. I don't know how many cards are in here. 36 cards, so it says on the back. Let's have a quick look. Sacred Reading Cards is a deck of 36 cards of visionary artwork that will help you look beyond the physical realm and connect to a higher vibrational energies to empower your spirit with confidence and direct you towards a positive life path. Okay, and then we have a guidebook as well. So Rockpool has a standard size for their decks, which is it's bigger than, my deck is bigger than your deck. It's bigger than Hay House's decks, but it is standard Rockpool size. I love that tree image. It's not reversible. I don't read reversals, and I certainly don't read Oracle reversals. So for me, it is not a big deal. They also have their standard card stock. So it's a 350 GSM. And let's go through the cards. Okay, I love the way that they do the titles, and I love that they're borderless. 1, align your universe, navigate distractions. Tell you what, for a Gemini who has a little hyperactivity in her, I totally get this because I can be like squirrel or like anything shiny like a magpie. I will cackle if I get that when I pull a card. Number 2, Ascended Masters create open communication. So as you can see, they're borderless and they have a glossy finish. 3, Astral Travel, caution needed. So we have an energy to each card, then also a message. 4, Awakened Spirit, desire to change. Gorgeous. Is anything with like awakened reminds you just of my Awakened Soul Oracle or my Awakened Soul Coven. Desire to change, it's true when you awaken, when you wake up. Between worlds, little turtle. New directions, Okay, I'm kind of reminded of Terry Pratchett with the turtle. I can't remember the name, but the floating universe. It's going to really annoy me now. The other Discworld. That's gorgeous. I love turtles. Number 6, birth of creation, potential growth. Here be dragons, hey? Number 7, celestial gatekeeper, timing is critical. That's such beautiful artwork. Number 8, channel your knowledge, critical judgment. And I do like how there are, it's like, you know, caution is needed, potential growth, critical judgment. Like, just because you're a spiritual person doesn't mean that critical thinking, analytical thinking, questioning things goes out the window. And I love that this is like saying that. It's like you have to challenge authority, and even your spiritual teachers and the wisdom that you think you know, like that's all a part of growing and changing. Number 9, clear and activate. That's so gorgeous. Create sacred space. I love how these look like that are on a digital. So you've got the symbols of the spiral, the waves, the digital, like a chip. And then we got the honeycomb as well. There's some really beautiful, beautiful symbols in that card. Number 10, cosmic ancestors, voice your concerns. Number 11, dark night of the soul, life brings new meaning. Oy, yes, the dark night of the soul. Those are not fun times, but definitely they definitely teach you a lot. Number 12, divine will, let go of fear. Number 13, emotional challenges, resolve the issue. Number 14, energy signature, the past is in the present. It's true, right? Time is a man-made construct. "15, eternal union, new love is forming. "16, expansion, educate your mind and senses." I really love that. There's a lot going on there. It's kind of like, it's like the world card. It kind of looks like a yoni. We've got like a Superman kind of vibe there. We've got this world being torn apart. Yeah, there's a lot going on in that card. I'm digging it. 17, galactic healer, move forward with an open mind. That is a really, really cool card. It's always psychedelic, otherworldly, alien almost. Love it. 18, ground your light, let your soul shine. Beautiful. Look at those beautiful energy pathways showing the grounding at the base of the spine. 19, guardian, guard your energy. Yes, not everyone should have it. Not everyone deserves it. 20, hidden realms, create conscious awareness. Those ascended masters, spirits, angels, guides. 21, illuminate the shadow, focus on a solution. That panther, the crow, eagle, almost like a cat, all those eyes. Very, very cool artwork. Number 22, Kundalini Rising, ignite your passion for life. That would be one really sickening hairdo. 23, lead the way, light your own path. Number 24, light codes, travel awaits you. Look at how like techy, it's like a spiritual tech. I like that fusing in this deck. Because like a lot of decks are very nature based and not a lot of decks have that element of technology and modern life, and this definitely does, and I'm really digging it. 25, living light energy, see the beauty in life. And this is a perfect example. We have a city sort of scene there with all these buildings, and then this beautiful energy tree, the melding of nature and man-made. And city magic is really cool. For those of you who, I mean, as a pagan, there is always going to be a connection to nature, but there's also some really cool magic to be had in the city as well. 26, love and light, act with care. 27, meditation, improvements require persistence. Do they ever? Consistency. 28, mindful wisdom, create inner harmony. I love owls. We all know I'm a sucker for owls. It's gorgeous. 29, open intuition, seek clarification. Number 30, Sacred Divinity, there are 2 paths ahead. Choices. 31, Secret Temptation, being led astray. Yes, we all know someone who is very easily led astray, or that one person, our like Achilles heel, whispers in our ear and we're like all of a sudden led astray. Oh, the frog! 32, shield your energy, look beneath the surface. Frogs absorb from the water into their skin, so they're a barometer for what's going on in the ecosystem. So really perfect card for shielding in the energy and like not absorbing what's taking on. Not absorbing and taking on what is not yours. 33, soul fragments, balance will be restored. 34, spirit messengers, observe limitations. 35, spiritual evolution, set your heart free. Like another modern, I do like all the modern interpretations in this deck and all the modern images. 36, third eye vision, reclaim your mind. I feel like this card would come up with someone who watches a lot of reality TV. Like, unplug from the matrix. Okay, so we're going to give these a shuffle. What have we got? Soul fragments, balance will be restored. Let's have a look in the guidebook and then we'll have a look at the card that we got. So all in colour, which is lovely. Okay, contents, how to use the cards, and then straight into the different meanings. Acknowledgements. Introduction. Okay, how to use the cards, connecting with the deck, healing and meditation, oracle readings, card of the day, 1-card reading, life guidance spread, simple 3-card reading, the 7th ray, Mahakohan, Master Elroy, Lorlento, Paul the Venetian, Cerberus Bay, Hilarion, Lady Marcinada, and Saint Germain. This is all in the Orosoma too, so that is a really cool. I might actually do that tarot, that spread, and use my Orosoma. Archangels and Guardian Angels, and Crystal Healing. And then we jump into the cards. So what number did I get? 33. Okay, so Shadow Aspect, Fear, Shallowness, Detachment, Sacred Crystal, Boji Stones, Angel Assistant, Guardian Angel, Ramphel, Clearing Karmic Debris, Recalling Lost Soul Fragments, Affirmation. I am the master of my own mind and I am ready to move on. Damn. The life of our soul is infinite, and while aspects of the self are never truly lost, they can be separated through times of trauma, grief, separation, loss, or refusing to deal with an issue. The psyche's self-preservation causes illusionary disconnection as it chooses to distance itself from the situation in question. These fragments are merely in places our consciousness has chosen to forget, so compartmentalization, to spare the emotional turmoil from an intense emotional experience. So this is about recalling it through. Again, I'm not going to read all of it. You get a good amount of information there with some action. And then we've got about the author, Anna Stark, and then the illustrator. Yeah, lovely little deck. Thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this my way. I'm looking forward to using it in my readings. I will pop in the description below, as always, a link to where you can find this deck. And thank you so very much for watching.